channel Imna Family Vlog. Thanks for subscribing and supporting me. Today I'm going to show you how to make pasta cheesecake. Please try this very easy to make and very tasty too. If you like this video, please click on like button. Seeing my video first time, please do subscribe. Come with me to the kitchen. We need milk, condensed milk, whipping cream and bread. Take a bowl and add milk. Add whipping cream. Add condensed milk. Mix well. The mix is ready. If you want, you can add color. I am adding rose milk color. The mix is ready. Take a tray and put the first layer of bread. Now one layer is completed. Now keep one more layer of bread. Now pour the mix. Pour like this. Apply cream. Now we will level it. Keep the next layer and continue the same process. Now put the syrup. Keep the next layer. Again pour the mixture. Apply cream. Like this. Now we will decorate it. Now we will decorate with cherry. like this. My cake is ready. Now we'll keep it in fridge for 6 hours. Serve with some syrup. Now my cake is ready. This chat is very easy to make. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and share with family and friends. Also don't subscribe. So, Inna signing off. See you in the next video. Bye.